So yun guys, naka-receive pala tayo ng order through WhatsApp guys. Bali umorder si Madam ng 1 tray of pancit palabok and 1 tray of pancit bihon guys. So thank you so much Madam Lolit for ordering and trusting to your JPH Street Restaurant. So bali pala si Madam Lolit guys, dadalhin daw niya yung foods niya sa church nila. So assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh sa mga kapatid nating Kristiyano dyan. Hope you always like the foods of your JPH Street Restaurant. And guys, for those who want to order to your JPH Street Restaurant, please kindly message your advance order at JPH Street WhatsApp number at 05544304003 guys to confirm your orders guys. And our regular menu guys is still available in Talabat, Smiles and Noon application guys. Our link of delivery services is